This Vanguard one should do nicely. If you're based in the US, then you can also pick the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, known as the VT-SAX. This fund is like owning a tiny piece of 500 of the biggest, most famous companies in America, like Apple, Amazon and Coca-Cola. By the way, look out for the terms accumulation or distribution in the brackets. Personally, I always go with accumulation as it reinvests your dividends back into the stock automatically. Then let's go and search for our next one, which is our international fund. For this, let's select iShares MSCI World UCITS ETF with the ticker IWDA and tap Add to Pie. This fund is like having a collection of companies from all around the world. It includes big businesses in places like Europe, Japan and Canada. Now for our bond fund. Let's search for iShares USD Treasury Bonds 7 to 10 years UCITS ETF with the ticker IBTM and tap Add to Pie. This fund is like lending money to the US government. They promise to pay you back with a little extra, which helps you keep your money safe and steady, even if stocks go up and down. Right, now those are added, we can click the arrow to go to the next step. On this page, you can adjust the percentage allocation of your money to each fund. If you go with an aggressive approach, this involves investing more in stocks, which can grow faster, but can also go up and down a lot. For example, you might choose an investment mix where 90% of your money is in stocks and only 10% is in bonds. This setup has the potential for big returns, but also comes with sharp ups and downs in the short term. If you prefer slightly less risk, but still want a chance for high returns, then a slightly less aggressive approach might suit you better, with around 80% in stocks and 20% in bonds. Don't get put off by the terms aggressive, it's all down to your age. As a general rule of thumb, the older you are, the more bonds you should have. So let's make the S&P 500 60%, the iShares World Fund 30% and the bond fund 10% and click next and then auto invest. This value projection is really awesome as it shows you how much money you could make based on historical averages. Of course, when you invest, you can get back less than you invested as investments can rise and fall, but it's still a great way to get an idea of how much you could make based on data-backed projections.
Make money clipping videos? Type money below and I'll show you how.